In this video, I want to show you the fuse box locations on your Subaru Impreza. This is the sedan version, but it's the same thing on the hatchback. So the first one is in the driver footwell. You go down over here, you find that there is this door. You stick your finger over here and you pull towards yourself. On this side of the panel, you're going to see the fuse diagram that will tell you where each fuse are located, and here you're gonna find the fuses right over there. So this was the number one location. All right, the second location, you need to open the hood. So you're gonna go ahead, pull this, and let's go in the front. So right over here, you open the hood, and on the right side, you're gonna find this box that we need to open. There's a clip here. Okay, you can press on this and at the same time lift the box slightly. Do the same thing on the other clip. Let me find it where it is. Oh, right over here. So you have two clips that you need to push and lift at the same time. It's a bit hard with one hand, but I have to hold my iPhone. Here we go. So that's the second fuse, and the good news is you have another fuse diagram that will make everything easy to find, and you also have some spare fuses, so you don't have to buy fuses if you want to replace some. If you still want to buy, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon where you can get some spare fuses. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, comment about anything. I'll try to read it, and I'll see you in the next one.